Hello everyone, in this lecture we are going to explain the difference between demonstrative pronoun and demonstrative adjective. But, if you are new to my channel then subscribe the channel and like the video. Basically, first you should know that these four terms like, that, those, this, and these, sometimes are called demonstrative adjectives and sometimes demonstrative pronouns. But, it totally depends on their usage and position in a sentence. Well, let's move and learn first, demonstrative pronoun. This, as a demonstrative pronoun is used to refer to a single thing that is close to the speaker or writer. It can be used to point to something that is near to a speaker. Basically, it means that the word, this, is a demonstrative pronoun. Actually, it is used to point to something that is near to the speaker and that must be a singular one. Just look at these examples. This is my favorite book. Just look at this example, the word, this, is a demonstrative pronoun because it points to a single book. But the question is that how it is different from a demonstrative adjective. You need to remember that when after the word, this, comes a verb directly, so then it is called a demonstrative pronoun. So, you can see in this example after the demonstrative pronoun, there comes directly a verb, is, so that is why it is a demonstrative pronoun. The next example it. Those are my friends. Just look at this example, the demonstrative pronoun is, those, and it is used to point to a plural noun, my friends. And, basically, it is demonstrative pronoun because after this word comes, a verb directly, so that is why it a pronoun. Especially, it is demonstrative pronoun because it demonstrates to a plural noun which are far away from the speaker. These are his new phones. Observe this example. The word, these, is a demonstrative pronoun because after this word, the verb directly has come and it is used when something is near to us and that must be plural and not singular. If a verb did not come after this word then it would be a demonstrative adjective and not demonstrative pronoun. So here, the verb comes directly, so that is why it is a demonstrative pronoun. On the other hand, demonstrative adjective. A demonstrative adjective is a word that is used to identify a noun or pronoun by expressing its position. What does it mean? Simply, it means that it is also nothing but the same words, like, this, that, these, and those, which are used directly with nouns, then they are called demonstrative adjective. Just look at these examples. These boys are my classmates. Look at this example, the word, these, is a demonstrative adjective, but the question is how? The simple answer is that, after this word the noun, boys, is directly used. So, that is why it is called a demonstrative adjective. You also need to remember that after this word you have to use a plural noun, but if you use a singular noun then it is considered to be incorrect. The next example is, this house is mine. Observe this example, the demonstrative adjective is the word, this, because after this word a noun, house, comes directly. That is why it is a demonstrative adjective and not a demonstrative pronoun. You should also keep it in mind that after this word, you have to use a singular noun, but if you use a plural noun then it is considered to be incorrect. Simply, you can see here the singular noun is used. Those birds are very beautiful. Look at this final example, the demonstrative adjective is the word, those, but the question is how? The answer is again simple, that after this word the noun, birds, is used. But you should keep in mind that it is always used with a plural nouns, as you can see here the plural noun, birds, is used. Along with this idea, you also have to keep in mind that this demonstrative adjective is used when we talk about something which is far away from us. So, in this case we talk about the birds which are far away from the speaker. Well guys, I hope you have understood the difference between demonstrative adjective and demonstrative pronoun, but don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.